Let us see some problems. Yesterday we have seen the formulas and chosen, sir. Okay, right. Find the number of tangents, also find the points of similitude. Okay, I will be doing 5-6 problems based on this. Let us see one by one. The method is like this. Two circles will be given. First circle can, sir, 2g is equal to -4, 2f is equal to -6, c is equal to -12. So what is the g value? -2. What is the f value? -3. What is the center C1? Minus g comma minus f, 2 comma 3. What is the radius? Root of g square plus f square minus c. Root of 4 plus 9, minus of minus is plus. So R1 is equal to, this is R1. R1 is equal to 5. Next, for second circle, x square plus y square plus 2x plus 18y plus 26 is equal to 0. So 2g is equal to 6, 18, c is equal to 26. G value 3, f value 9. What is the center C2? Minus g comma minus f, which is -3 comma -9. Then R2, root of g square plus f square minus c, means 9 plus 81 minus 26. 90 minus 26 is 64. So 8. Right? Now we got R1, R2. Next we have to find C1, C2. It is called distance between the centers. Centers. What is the C1, sir? What is C1? 2 comma 3. What is C2? -3 comma -9. What is C1, C2? Distance. -3 minus 2 whole square plus -9 minus 3 whole square. So C1, C2 is equal to -5 means 25. This is 12 means 144. How much we get? 169 root. So C1, C2 is equal to 13. Now we have seen that this number of conditions, sir. Here, what is R1 plus R2? R1 is 5, R2 is 8. How much we got? 13, which is equivalent to C1, C2. So C1, C2 is equal to R1 plus R2. Number of tangents is 3. Okay, this is a rough diagram. So which point we are looking at? P point. By m plus n, my2 plus ny1 by m plus n. What is the m value? R1. R1 is 5. N2 is equal to R2 is equal to 8. C1, x1, y1. x1, y1 means what, sir? What is x1, y1? First point, sir. 2 comma 3. What is C2? x2, y2, which is nothing but -3 comma -9. Okay, we get Q point, sorry, P point and Q point. Okay, so P is equal to mx2. M value is, sir, 5 into -3, -15, my2, ny2. So nx1, sir, nx1 means 8 into 2, 16 by 5 plus 8, comma, my2, 5 into -9, -45, 8 into 3, 21. Sorry, 24. So by 5 plus 8. So what is the value? 1 by 13, comma, -21 by 13. P point. Next, Q point. mx2 minus nx1 by m minus n, my2 minus ny1 by m minus n. Formulas are one. Okay, complete. So what we have to do? C1 R1, C2 R2, C1 C2 distance. Which concept it is coming? We have to see. Now mx2 means what, sir? -15, -16 by 5 minus 8, -45, -24 by 5 minus 8. So this becomes -31 by -3. -31 by -3, minus 69 by minus 3, which will give you 31 by 3 comma 69 by 3. If you want to cancel, cancel otherwise. So what is the procedure? All the problems will be doing the same concept. C1 R1, C2 R2 condition. Okay, please note down this. X square minus 2x plus 4y minus 4 is equal to 0. X square plus y square plus 4x minus 6y minus 3 is equal to 0. Again, x square plus y square minus 2x plus 4y minus 4 is equal to 0. 2g is equal to minus 2, 2f is equal to 4, c is equal to minus 4. What is the g value? Minus 1. What is the f value? 2. What is c1? Minus g comma minus f. What is 1 comma minus 2? What is the r1? Root of g square plus f square minus c. So 1 plus 4 plus 4, which is 9, 3. r1 is equal to 3. Next, for x square plus y square plus 4x minus 6y minus 3 is equal to 0. 2g is equal to 4, 2f is equal to minus 3, c is equal to 3. G value 2, f value minus 3. What is c2? 2 comma minus 3, sorry, minus 2 comma 3. What is r2? Root of g square plus f square minus c. So 4 plus 9 minus 3. 4 plus 9, 13, 13 minus 3, that is 10. Approximately, I'll take 3.3. I'll take approximate value, sir. So what is the R2 value? 3.3. Now I am taking approximate value. Now, C1, C2, distance between centers. So what is the C1? 1 comma minus 2. What is C2? Minus 2 comma 3. So C1 C2 is equal to minus 2 minus 1 whole square, 3 minus of minus 2 plus 2 whole square. Right? So 3 square is 9 plus 25. How much we get? C1 C2 is equal to 34. So approximately 5.9. Because 36 square root of 36, 6, sir. So approximately this will be 5.9. Now first we have to find out what is R1 plus R2. R1 plus R2. What is R1? 3. What is R2? 3.3 is equal to 6.3. Okay, which is not equivalent to C1 C2. And C1 C2 is equal to how much we got? 5.9. Therefore, C1 C2 is less than R1 plus R2. Right? Next, R1 minus R2. So here C1 C2 is less than R1 plus R2. So we have to take next one, R1 minus R3 is equal to what, sir? 3 minus 3.3 will be minus 3.3 with modulus, so which is 0.3. And C1 C2 is 5.9. Therefore, C1 C2 is greater than R1 minus R2. Therefore, number of tangents is 2. Okay, this you should know. Number of tangents is how many, sir? No, it is 2. Okay, therefore, which point will come? Q point. What is the Q formula? mx2 minus nx1 by m minus n, my2 minus ny1 by m minus n. So here formula applications are okay. The number of tangents identify depending upon condition. Here what is m value? R1, which is R1 is nothing but 3. N is R2, which is approximately 3.3. X1 Y1 C1. C1 is what, sir? X1 Y1, which is equivalent to what is X1 Y1? 1 comma minus 2. Then C2 X2 Y2, which is nothing but X2 Y2 is minus 2 comma 3. Therefore, q point mx2 3 into minus 2 minus 6 minus of nx1 3 into 3.3 into 1 by 3 minus 3.3. ఇక్కడ formula substitutions are m value mx2 means 3 into minus 2 minus 6 nx1 n is 3.3 x1 is 1 sir, so minus 3.3 again my2 3 into 3 9 minus 3.3 into minus, so plus 6.6 by 3 minus 3.3. Therefore, this will be 9.3 minus minus 0.3 comma. This is 15.6 by minus 0.03. So, minus will get cancelled. 3 table you can cancel. 3 will get cancelled how many? 31 times. Comma. This also point will go 52. What is the point? 31 comma 52. Means what? C1 R1, C2 R2, C1 C2 distance. Condition 8 होता है sir. Okay. Next, C bit. X square plus y square plus 6x plus 6y plus 14 is equal to 0. Then x square plus y square minus 2x minus 4y minus 4 is equal to 0. Again plus 6y plus 14 is equal to 0. 2g is equal to 6, 2f is equal to 6, c is equal to 14. G value 3, f value 3. And what is the center? C1 minus g comma minus f minus 3 comma minus 3. What is R1? Root of g square plus f square minus c. 9 plus 9 minus 14. So 4 which is 2. So what is R1? 2. Again for x square minus y square minus 2x minus 4y minus 4 is equal to 0. 2g is equal to minus 2, 2f is equal to minus 4, c is equal to minus 4, g is equal to minus 1, f is equal to minus 2. Okay, c2 minus g comma minus f 1 comma 2. What is R2? Root of g square plus f square minus c. Means what, sir? 1 plus 4 plus 4. How much we get? Root 9, 3. So what is the R2 value? 3. Observe here. C1 R1, C2 R2. Next, we have to find C1 C2. Distance between centers. Okay, what is C1? C1 is what, sir? Minus 3 comma minus 3. What is C2? 1 comma 2. So C1 C2 is equal to, what will happen? 1 plus 3 whole square plus 2 plus 3 whole square. This is 2 plus 3 means 5. So this will come 16 plus 25. How much we get? 41. Approximately 6.1. Okay. What is C1 C2? 6.1 approximately. Because 36 is there. So it will come 6.2 or 6.4. Anything you can write. Okay. 6.3 you can write. Approximate value. Now what is R1 plus R2? What is R1? 2. And R2 is 3. How much we get? 5. Therefore, C1 C2 is greater than R1 plus R2. Okay, if you look at here, okay, C1 C2 is greater than R1 plus R2. Therefore, number of tangents 4. Number of tangents is how many, sir? 4. Which point will come? P point, Q point. P formula mx2 plus nx1 by m plus n, my2 plus ny1 by m plus n. Right here, what is the m value? R1. R1 is what, sir? 2. N is R2, which is nothing but 3. And what is the C1? C1 is minus 3 comma minus 3. C2 is 1 comma 2. Put the value, sir. P. mx2. mx2 means what, sir? 2 into 1, 2 plus 3 into minus 3, minus 9 by 2 plus 3. Then my2 4 ny1 minus 9 by 3. So this becomes minus 7 by 5 minus 5 by 3. Okay, next q point. What is the q formula? mx2 minus nx1 by m minus n, my2 minus ny1 by m minus n. Okay, so what will happen? 2 plus 9 by 2 minus 3. Here minus sign is coming, so this minus will become plus. Here 4 plus 9 by 2 minus 3. So which is nothing but minus 11 comma minus 13. Conditions, sir. Okay, here condition. C1 C2 is greater than R1 plus R2. C1 C2 is equal to R1 plus R2. Like this we have to see. Let us see one more problem. Next. X square plus y square minus 4x minus 2y plus 1 is equal to 0. And minus 6x minus 4y plus 4 is equal to 0. Again, first circle I am taking x square plus y square minus 4x minus 2y plus 1 is equal to 0. What is the 2g value? Minus 4. 2f is equal to minus 2, c is equal to 1. What is the g value? Minus 2. f is equal to minus 1. What is the c1? Minus g comma minus f. 2 comma 1. What is the r1? Root of g square plus f square minus c. So 4 plus 1 minus 1, which is 2. So r1 is equal to 2. Again, for zero minus 6, 2f is equal to minus 4 and c is equal to 4. G value minus 3, f value minus 2. What is C2? Minus g comma minus f, 3 comma 2. What is R2? 9 plus 4 minus 4. How much we get? 3. So what is the R2 value? 3. Again, C1, C2. Distance between centers. What is C1? C1 is 2 comma 1. What is C2? 3 comma 2. Okay, distance formula. C1, C2. 3 minus 2 whole square plus 2 minus 1 whole square. So this becomes what, sir? 1 plus 1 root 2. So C1, C2 is equal to root 2. Approximately we know 1.4. Okay, now we got 1.4. Next, C1 plus C2. Sorry, R1 plus R2. What is R1, sir? 2. And what is R2? 3. How much? 5. C1, C2 is greater than R1 plus R2. Therefore, number of tangents 4. Okay, P point, Q point. Again, P is mx2 plus nx1 by m plus n, my2 plus ny1 by m plus n. Here, m value is r1. R1 is what, sir? 2. N is r2, which is 3. Then c1 is x1 y1. What is x1 y1? 2 comma 1. What is c2? x2 y2, which is x2 y2 is 3 comma 2. Now P point, mx2 2 into 3 6 plus 3 into 2 6 by 2 is 3. Next one, my2 2 into 2 4 3 into 1 3 by 2 plus 3. So how much we get? 12 by 5 comma 7 by 5. Right? What is the cube formula? mx2 minus nx1 by m minus n, my2 minus ny1 by m minus n. So same method, 6 minus 6 by 3 plus 3, 4 minus 3 by here 2 minus 3, 2 minus 3. Here it is 0 comma 1 by 1. 1 by minus 1. Right? So what will happen? Any observe change, sir. All these problems A, B, C. Okay. So we have to find C1 R1, C2 R2, number of tangents. Please note on this. Next. X square plus y square minus 14x plus 6y plus 33 is equal to 0. Next one. X square plus y square plus 30x minus 2y plus 1 is equal to 0. Again, what is the first problem? X square plus y square minus 14x plus 6y plus 33 is equal to 0. What is the 2g value? Minus 14. 2f is equal to 6, c is equal to 33. What is the g value? Minus 7. What is the f value? 3. What is the c1? Minus g comma minus f, which is 7 comma minus 3. What is R1? Root of g square plus f square minus c. 49 plus 9 minus 33, which is nothing but 25. So how much we get? R1 is equal to 5. Okay, correct formula application. C1 R1, C2 R2. Okay, next one. X square plus y square plus 30x minus 2y plus 1 is equal to 0. 2g is equal to 30. 2f is equal to minus 2. C is equal to 1. What is the g value? 15. What is the f value? Minus 1. C2 is minus g comma minus f, which is minus 15 comma 1. What is the R2? Root of g square plus f square minus c. So which is nothing but 225 plus 1 minus 1 under root. So how much it will become? 225, 15. So R2 is got. We got R2. Now C1, C2. Distance between centers. So C1 is what, sir? What is C1? 7 comma minus 3. And what is C2? Minus 15 comma 1. So C1, C2 is equal to minus 15 minus 7 whole square plus 1 minus of minus 3 plus whole square. This is 22, sir. 22 means 484 plus 4 means 16. How much we get? Root of 500. Okay, C1, C2 is equal to root of 500. This can be written 100 into 25. So this becomes 10 into approximately 2.2. So 22. So what is C1, C2? 22. Approximately. I am putting approximate values, sir. The root 5 ante 2.2, sir. Approximately 4 is 2, sir. 5 is 2.2. So approximately 22. Now, what is R1 plus R2? R1 plus R2. R1 is 5. R2 is 15, which is 20. Therefore, C1, C2 is greater than R1 plus R2. Again, number of tangents is 4. How many tangents will come? 4 tangents. Right? Again, P. mx2 plus nx1 by m plus n my2 plus ny1 by m plus n. Here m is R1. R1 is what, sir? 5. N is R2, which is nothing but 8. Sorry, 15. Next, C1 is x1, y1. What is x1, y1? Center. What is the first center? 7 comma minus 3. And what is C2? x2, y2. What is x2, y2? Minus 15 comma 1. Therefore, mx2 means 5 into minus 15 minus 75. 15 into 7, 105 by 5 plus 15. Okay. 5 into minus 15 minus 75, 15 into 7, 105. Next one, 15 into minus 3, minus 45. Sorry, my2, 5 into 1, 5. Then 15 into minus 3, minus 45 by 5 plus 15. my2, so 5 into 1, 5. 15 into minus 3, minus 45. So this becomes 30 by 20. This is minus 40 by 30. Sorry, here 20. So what is that we get? 3 by 2 comma minus 2. What is the Q point? mx2 minus nx1 by m minus n, my2 minus ny1 by m minus n. mx2 minus means what? Minus 75 minus 105 by 5 minus 15. Next one is what, sir? 5 plus 45. The sign will change. Ikkada plus unnadi kasta minus avutundi sir, minus unnadi plus avutundi sir. Denominator 5 minus 15. So this is 180 by minus 10 means 18. Next 50 by minus 10 means minus 5. Observe here, C1R1, C2R2. Okay, let us see one more problem. Next, x square plus y square is equal to 4. X square plus y square minus 6x minus 8y plus 16 is equal to 0. So, first circle, x square plus y square minus 4 is equal to 0. So, 2g is equal to 0, 2f is equal to 0, c is equal to minus 4. G value 0, f value 0. Right? Next, what is the center? Minus g comma minus f, which is 0 comma 0. What is the R1? Root of g square plus f square minus c. 0 plus 0 plus 4, which is nothing but 2. So, R1 is equal to 2. Next, plus 16 is equal to 0. C is equal to 16 minus 4. What is C2? Minus g comma minus f, 3 comma 4. What is the R2? Root of g square plus f square minus c. So 9 plus 16 minus 16, that is 9. So 3. So R1 we got, R2 we got. Now C1, C2. Distance between centers. Okay, distance between centers. C1 is what, sir? 0 comma 0. C2 is what, sir? 3 comma 4. C1, C2. Distance formula. 0 minus 3 whole square, 0 minus 4 whole square. So how much we get? 9 plus 16, 5. So C1, C2 is equal to 5. Now, what is R1 plus R2? What is R1? 2. R2 is what, sir? 3, which is 5. C1, C2 is equal to R1 plus R2. Therefore, number of tangents is 3. Conditions, sir. So, P point, Q point. C1, C2 is equal to what? R1 plus R2. So, what is the P formula? mx2 plus nx1 by m plus n, my2 plus ny1 by m plus n. Here m is R1. R1 is what, sir? 2. N is R2, which is nothing but 3. C1, x1, y1. What is x1, y1? 0 comma 0. And C2, x2, y2, which is nothing but 3 comma 4. So, P, mx2. mx2 means 2 into 3. 6, ny1, nx1. nx1 means 3 into 0, 0 by 2 plus 3. Next one, my2, 2 into 4, 8 minus 0 by 2 plus 3. So, this becomes 6 by 5 comma 8 by 5. What is the Q point? mx2 minus nx1 by m minus n, my2 minus ny1. First problem nunchi anni same method. We are following the same pattern, only equations have been changed. So, if you learn this, how to find center radius, you can find easily. mx2 means what? 6 minus 0 by 2 minus 3, 8 minus 0. Minus of minus become plus, here plus, sir. 8 plus 0, so nothing will change here. 8 minus 0 by 2 minus 3. So, what is that we get? Minus 6 comma minus 8. So, what is that we have seen today? Based on C1, C2 concept, whether it is equivalent to R1 plus R2 or R1 minus R2, or C1, C2 is greater than R1 plus R2 or C1, C2 is less than R1 plus 2. So, we have done 5 problems. I will give you 2 problems, sir. Please practice them. Okay. I will just give you 2 problems. x square plus y square plus 6x minus 2y plus 1 is equal to 0. X square plus y square minus 6y plus 9 is equal to 0. First one. Second one, x square plus y square minus 2x minus 6y plus 9 is equal to 0. And second circle, x square plus y square is equal to 4. Please practice this. Tell me, identify how many tangents we can draw, conditions, sir. Okay, we'll see tomorrow. Very, very important, sir. These are sometimes is giving for sir 4 marks, Krishna, sir. Otherwise, we will not give. There are 4 problems which we are going to discuss. Very, very important for 7 marks. From this exercise, this is the last exercise, sir. That is exercise 1E. Last exercise, we are doing the problems. Okay. In this most important 4 problems, 6 problems will be there. The 6 problems are very, very important for final examination. Okay. Right.